No filming today except for this. Wanted to get a lot done. Whoa, boom! So, gonna get the ladders, railing, paneling, and then I still have to figure out where the 2 windows are, or 4, and cut them out and trim them. Quick update. Okay, I got the headboard in. I got where I'm going to cut out for a window on each one of them. I got this piece, which is the panel that I'm going to wrap, build a ladder, and then it's going to get another piece of like handrail above it. I got the bench done, and then the same thing over here. Hit a really good stopping point, so I'm out of here. Tomorrow I'll cut those out, trim them, trim the bottoms of these, trim that, build the ladders, probably finish Saturday, hopefully. Another busy day on the job site. I didn't film anything, but I got a hidden door to go to next, and this one's got to get done. You know how that is, got to get done. But here's the progress. I got it all trimmed out. You see there's panels trimmed out on the bottom, all trimmed out. Now tomorrow I'll be building ladders, and I'm going to cut out the windows and trim them, and then put on my piano hinge. And then I'm out of here after I sand it for like ever. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Man, these look cool. Let's back up. There you go. See you guys tomorrow. Finished. What are you guys doing? Well, it's finished. Another bunk bed made. And I'm on to the next one. I'll give you guys a quick tour. I hope you enjoy these carpentry vlogs. I don't get to do many of them. Much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me, all my Patreon, all my Spreadshirt, and anybody who tries to watch every single video. I love you guys. All right, you want a tour of the bunk beds? And I got a couple of videos that I'm just gonna throw together of the construction of this, so it's not a 2-minute video. Okay, well here's the living space for a bunch of cool kids. They got their playroom. They got their underneath compartment. Each one has like a window. The top has a handrail. I constructed the ladder today. Sound as a pound is round. This is the view from upstairs. And you know, they can peek in at each other and be like, hey, what are you doing? All that good stuff. And I believe Kat Kankin asked how everything's locked in together. Well, now you can kind of see that this is connected to this wall, which starts getting connected to this, starts getting connected to this, and this. You could jump up and down on it. That was fun. Okay, well, I'm dusty. I've done my duty. I can sleep well. And there's my next set of, you know, double bunk beds. The window's giving it an awful glare, but I think they look pretty cool. Thanks for watching. see you guys next time. So there's going to be a cushion on this, right? And I'll just show you guys where I was at. I left the hole underneath open, and the kids have already played hide and seek in there. It's pretty cool. All right, I got to get out of here later. This video was brought to you by
Jones
Productions. Jones Productions, that's right. Thank you for joining us at Jones Productions. Much love to our #1 mod, Rosie. We love you.